You need to watch this if you struggle with a tickly throat, because giraffes have a crazy way of avoiding coughs. Seriously, it's wild. So here's the deal. Giraffes almost never cough, not even in the wild, not even when they eat all those thorny acacia leaves. Why? Their necks are up to 6 feet long, but their windpipes are built differently from ours. They have extra strong mucous membranes, and a super efficient filtering system in their throats. This catches dust, pollen, even sharp bits from their food, before it can ever tickle their lungs. Plus, their long neck acts like a filter tunnel, trapping stuff before it gets deep. So, while we're out here hacking from a little dust, they're just chilling, munching snacks, and staying quiet. Next time someone coughs, just tell them, "Be more giraffe," hit like if you learned something new, and follow for more wild animal science.